West Babers. Hi.
Hey, Wes.
Don't think that the brass hasn't noticed. The brass?
Hey, Mama.
I've noticed.
Say hi, Daddy.
What the hell?
Ilili.
Frank, you deserve everything you're about to get.
Yeah. And there, jumper. Look at my feet. Are you watching a movie on TV? You are. What you watching?
Oh, I'm excited and scared all at the same time.
You can do it. Just now you got Frank to lean on.
Are you watching a movie about 12 kids? Yes.
Oh, I better get going. I gotta... You like these better?
Sorry about the chocolate.
You ready? Are you gonna talk? Wait. Look at you, quiet up when the camera's on. Ah. Hi. Rah. Mama. You say hi, Mama? Say hi. Hi. Daddy. Say hi, Dad. You stick your tongue out at Daddy. Yes. Hi. Hi. Hey. You gonna talk some more? Hi. Hi, Daddy. You gonna say anything to Daddy? Really? Hi. Mama. Hey, Daddy. Hi. Hey, Beaver.
Peekaboo.
You love that game.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hey, Mom. Yeah. You tell Mama all about it. Give me a kiss. Mama. Oh, that was a drooly kiss. You're a heavy kiddo. What is it? Okay. You're a good boy. Well done. Westy, you need some green beans? Yeah. Those are delicious.
Yummy.
Oh, Beaver. Sweet.
He's a big boy.
You want some green beans? Those are so delicious. Look, look. Oh, yum. Smile. Uh-oh, you're leaking it out. Here. Your baboos. Is this your first time in your high chair? And this is your first baby food is green beans? Yum.
West. Hi.
Ah, hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Wow, yum. Oh, yummy. Hey. Are those your green beans? You want to eat more? Look at you. Open your mouth because you're such a big boy.
West, papers. West. West.
Hi,
Is
Daddy.
it good?
Look, look. Look, look. Looky, looky. Yum. I'm such a big boy. I open my own mouth. Yum. Look, look. Hey, sweetie. Are you excited to eat your green beans? Nom noms. Numbers. Look. Yum. You just put your tongue out, huh? Yeah. Hi, Westy. Look. Oh, you leaked. Oh, you leaked. Dee 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 dee. Is that Daddy? Look.
Oh,
I know. Is that pretty delicious?
it's good
Uh-oh,
stuff.
leaking.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
That's right. If it gets on his outfit, we can just wipe it off.
we'll just wipe it off.
We just wipe it off. We just wipe it off.
You
Yum.
can talk to Dad about your green beans? Is this your first baby food?
And my high chair's a little big, so I have to use a blanket.
I have to use a blanket. This is your first day in your high chair. Yeah. It's pushing its head forward. There we go, noggin. You put your big melon back.
West. Hey, West. West.
Here, honey.
Hi.
I'll feed you. Look. Looky, looky. Here, honey. Oh.
Hey, West.
Hi, honey. Where those you get? Oh, messy. Here. Don't use your fingers. You're leaking onto your clothes, yes? Baby? Oh, no fingers. Here, honey. West. Psst, 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 psst.
West. Hey, West.
Kiddo. Yoo-hoo.
West. Hey. West. Hi.
You gotta keep your head up, Dada. Nuggy, nuggy. Nugget. Here. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, leakage everywhere. That's disgusting.
Hey, West. Hi. Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Oh, go, 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 go. Yum. That's yummy. You want some more?
West.
Greeny beanie?
Hey, West. West. Hi.
You know your name now.
Hi. Hey.
Are you eating some green beans?
West.
Is that Daddy? Say, how old are you? Are you 5 months old? You big sweetie? Hey, you like that. You're doing really good.
You like your green
Even though
beans?
you just had a whole baba. Yeah, you just had
You
a
like
whole
your
bottle.
green beans? Hmm?
You just had a whole bottle. Really? Oh, yeah. That's so good. You just can't get enough of this stuff. Look at him opening his mouth. Big boy, honey. I think you're falling in your high chair, though.
Little bit, maybe.
It's a little too big for you still. You inside? Here. Look, look. Yum. Yummy. I'm surprised you're eating this much, Nuggy. Ew, that's disgusting. Ah, you see Daddy? You see Daddy?
He's a ziggy piggy.
Hey, Ziggy Piggy. Oh, that was a big one. And you bit the spoon with your gums. Because you don't have any teeth, huh? Because you don't have any teeth, huh? Yummy. to scoop it back in. Oh. Is that fun? Is that funny? Oh. Say, that's disgusting. Yeah, that's really gross. Look. Yeah. You're a big pig. Because he ate one whole bottle. Yeah, we finished it about 10 minutes ago.